What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. We got another property we're going to be doing a full renovation on, and if you can see, that's this property that's behind me. So we'll do a walkthrough. The first thing you want to do before you get started is clean out all the trash. So we got that done. As you can see, we got the dump truck here, and we're going to be loading that up. But let's take a walk through and see what it looks like. So from the looks, exterior wise, not bad. We'll be placing some windows, some rotted material there. Exterior paint. Family room. Dining room slash kitchen. So here we'll be replacing all the cabinets, putting in quartz or granite, keeping the wall oven or doing a wall oven microwave combination, changing the backsplash. Another, which could be considered a bedroom or a den. Of course, painting, repairing all the walls, replacing ceiling fans. And of course, we're going to do LVP throughout the entire property. And as you go through the kitchen, pantry, hot water tank, washroom, or laundry room. Bedroom. Bathroom. With a closet. Another bedroom. And another bedroom. Walk-in closet here. And this is the master bedroom. Walk-in closet there. And the bathroom. So that's the complete house. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, about 2,200 square feet. And we'll renovate the entire property. So either it'll be flip this house or renovate this house, to be determined. So stay tuned. Well, we can take a walk around the backside and see. And of course, see, more windows got to be replaced. Nice sized backyard. Possibly repair or remove the shed. Roof not in bad shape, but can be replaced. So that's the unit. Of course, rotted seals on all the windows. Kudzu. So this is metal siding. So all of the exterior of the property needs to be cleaned up. So that's what we got. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you got a comment, just leave it down. If you got any questions, just leave it in the comment sections. And anything you want to see us do on this property, just put it in the comment section and we'll try to cover that. So not a bad property. But like I said, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe and help me build up this channel. Yep, definitely probably tear this down. We'll see. So stay tuned. So first thing we'll do is start loading up and getting all the trash hauled off. got the kudzu sprayed about 2 or 3 days ago, and you can see it's dying out. So we're gonna come with the brush hog and run it down the fence line. Try to get most of this kudzu taken care of. But you can see along the fence it's dying out. So property cleanup. That's the first step. So let's go change attachments. Come back with the brush hog. Getting the property cleaned up, and so far all the bushes, underbrush, kudzu off the fence, hedges are trimmed. So we got to do the grass and leaves. So hedges. And unfortunately, my neighbor had a fire and it burnt his shed down and got a hold to my shed. And that's why the siding on the house, you can see, is buckled. So got to fix that. got all the kudzu cut back off the fence. So we're going to spray it one more time. And then come through here and get everything cleaned up and cut. So still in the process of cleaning up. So that's a big difference. So stay tuned.